In this module, we cover the e-commerce internet business model. The e-commerce business is one of the hottest trending businesses online right now because it allows access to hundreds and millions of people worldwide, making it easier to gain buyers, sales, and massive profits. Some facts about e-commerce. It will not get you riches and wealth overnight. It's not an overnight success, but it is an easy way to get sales and profits. You need to put in the hours to succeed. Next, you have more time to think about growing your business. If you want to grow your business further, you need to spend effort on marketing, advertising, and promoting your online store. You don't have to bother with shipping and management. All those tasks can be done automatically by your supplier and online store. There are 6 elements in your e-commerce model. 1. Choosing your niche. 2. Create your own brand. 3. Look for suppliers and designers. 4. Set up your online store. 5. Print on demand, POD. 6. Drop shipping. Next, you need to choose a niche for your online business. A product niche helps to establish a solid ground for your business. You can't just change from one business to another and expect your trustworthy buyers to keep up. Start selling something which you have at least a slight interest in or liking in. This is so you have the motivation to get through the days of low sales and technical issues. There are 3 ways to decide a niche. First, look up the latest trend. This method serves only as a short-term business model to earn you a quick dollar. The tools you can use to search for the newest craze are Trendosaur.com and Terapeak.com. Previously, the world was fascinated with the idea of selfie sticks. Those who managed to keep up with the selfie stick trend were earning over $50,000 selling only selfie sticks. Nowadays, it's the fidget spinner. What's next? Next is to look up any e-commerce website like Amazon and eBay and search for its bestseller list. Focus on products with good reviews but with little sellers. This gives you lesser competitors, which means better opportunity to make sales. Make a spreadsheet of trending items in the last 3 to 6 months to understand market demands. The last method is to pick a niche using the following criterions. 1. Select a niche you can add value to. Adding value to your niche will set you apart from most competitors. 2. Choose a niche with passionate and desperate buyers. You're looking at demand. Where there is demand, there are buyers. 3. Products that are hard to find locally. This is a unique feature for your business. It'll be easier for customers to look for you because of your products. 4. Products that are disposable or consumable. This is so you get repeat customers. Finally, products that require a lot of accessories or, in other words, add-ons. Any product that requires back-end items are worth selling. You don't necessarily need to choose a niche that is 100% based on these criteria. Mix and match them and see which ones work out the best for you and your business. First off, I'm going to show you how you can create your own brand. A brand's like an identity for you and your business. Not only does it give you a sense of ownership, but a good brand connects to your prospects and buyers at an emotional level. Do you remember the last time you bought from your favorite brand? When you finally bought it, it made you feel happy and fulfilled, all because you got it from your favorite brand. That's the goal you want to achieve when establishing a brand connection to your customers. When you have your own brand, you are unique and interesting. One of the most distinctive advantages of having a brand is the ability to add value to everything you're selling. This is how you secure your customers' loyalty. What's more, it's easier for buyers to make your products viral because it's perceived as unique. Here are some ways to get your brand going. First, capture your own unique photos. This is so it's not the same as other stock photos. Any item you think resonates with your brand is unique on its own. Next is to hire a photographer for a professional picture. If you want to have high-quality photos of your products, this is one way to do it. Third, you can design your own logo to reflect your products and company. You can visit sites like logomaker.com or even canva.com. Both sites provide users the ability to create their own logo. From color schemes to objects used to symbolize your brand, you are free to choose whatever you want. Then you can put your brand, mission, and values on your site. The purpose of your business is important to your buyers. If what you're trying to achieve is not within their interest, they won't be so keen on buying anything from you. That's why it's best to clarify your purpose and vision. Another way to brand your business is through the color of your website. Your website should have its own distinctive design. The purpose of this is to give your online store a color identity. See how most of us remember McDonald's because of its big yellow M? Or maybe the black and white stripes of Sephora. Finally, you can give out free stuff or vouchers to your customers. Customers are more likely to buy something from you when they feel appreciated or rewarded. You can give them free stuff once they've purchased their 5th item or spend $100 in a single receipt or others of equivalent. Next, we discuss about hiring suppliers and designers. To begin looking for products, you need to be on the lookout for any white label products. White label products are items manufactured by a single company and are rebranded by another company to make it look like their own. Many giant companies practice this method. Some white label products out there range from makeup brands all the way to t-shirts. Once you've found your supplier, you need to ensure that the companies are willing to drop ship. Most of them will let you pre-purchase units if you want to keep some of them at your home office, but they will keep your products in their warehouse and fulfill your order for you. There are many suppliers out there that can provide the service for you. Some of my personal favorites are gearbubble.com and powermerch.io. Both companies will assist you on supplying and even designing your own products. There are many ways for you to hire a designer. But if you have the skills to design your own t-shirts, caps, or even bags, you can do it yourself. All you need is a good software like Photoshop or Illustrator, and you're all set. However, should you prefer to outsource the job to someone else, then hiring others to do the artwork for you would be your best solution. Look for designers at Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, and even Behance.com. Any freelancing website should have freelancers who are skilled in designing clothing artwork or any others. Post a job under the niche of your product. Make sure to post a precise and concise job scope to your freelancer. Some sites even allow you to post a job to a specific freelancer. If you found the freelancer of your choice, you can invite him to do the job for you. Otherwise, you can just post the job to anyone with designing skills. Next is setting up your own online store. You'll be needing a suitable platform for your products to sell from. Your site is the main medium between you and your prospects. They're going to review your items and place their orders here. Which platform is the right kind of platform for your business? Based on research and analytics, the best platform that you can use to build your website is using Shopify, Facebook, and Instagram. Let's start with Shopify. Even for beginners, this site is the most convenient option there is. Shopify is one of the best sites to help you run your online business. It provides a variety of tools to help you. From showcasing your products to processing your payments, Shopify makes your online business work best for you. Here are some of the important key features of Shopify that will help your online business. Shopify has their own payment provider. It accepts credit cards and even PayPal payments. The flexibility in accepting different payment methods will make it easier for your customers during checkout. Next is Shopify's online sales channels. Shopify supports several different online sales channels where you can sell your products. By connecting each sales channel to Shopify, you can keep track of your products, orders, and customers in one place, no matter where you are selling your products from. Some of the sites that support Shopify's online sales channel are Facebook, Messenger, Pinterest, and even Amazon. It also supports a buy button channel where you can connect to your very own website or blog, Tumblr, or even WordPress. Finally, Shopify eases your tracking, shipping, and ordering list, from deciding your shipping method to automatically recording orders you've made. While Shopify is one of the best e-commerce website hubs for your online store, Facebook and Instagram, on the other hand, have some of the best places to drive traffic and engagements. Both social media platforms are often used by those who are making their first step in e-commerce. Most business owners use both accounts to post their offers alongside with some of their product information. Even if creating a page or group is easy to set up using both Facebook and Instagram, it's unfortunately inconvenient for buyers to place their orders. This is because social network platforms are not designed for online trade, placing orders, making payments, and tracking your orders. Driving traffic to your website is what they do best. The first type of e-commerce business you can do is print on demand, or POD. An on-demand delivery is the immediate or scheduled delivery of your product to your customer. It's being initiated immediately right after they make their order. Many of the largest retailers in the world have taken a note of POD business and realize they can assist in getting products to customers quicker. Retailers like Amazon, Target, and even Walmart can help you ship your products faster than a direct delivery from your manufacturer. If you're interested in getting your products delivered faster, then looking up for a retailer would suit your business. For your POD to work, you must first have your 1. Product niche. It can either be clothing, appliances, bags, or anything that you find interesting and demanding. 2. Product brand. Remember to give your business a brand to help customers identify your service easily. 3. Supplier and designer. List them down so you won't have to be in constant search for more suppliers and designers. 4. Online store. A Shopify online store, Facebook, or Instagram accounts are all you need. For example, you're running a POD business on books. Your book files must be prepared in a print-ready format, or PDF. It's best to do a test printout before printing it for your customers. Then the business owner needs to specify their distribution terms with a capable POD supplier or manufacturer. Ensure that your digital files are prepared and formatted to fit the cover, content, back cover, and even the spine. Then send the digital files to your book production team. Then you can list your books to your website. Boost the views by announcing it to your multiple social media platforms. Always prepare a different marketing plan to reach out to a bigger audience. Next, a customer or two will browse through your website and find your book. If it appears interesting to them, they will order your book. Shopify, your website, will send a message to your POD book manufacturer. It will automatically order the same amount your customer wants. Once they've received the order, they're going to print, bind, and package the item into a book. You'll get to see the status of your book production in your Shopify account. When your book's ready, they're going to ship the book to you first or directly to your customer. This depends on your agreement with the manufacturer. You will then pay the POD book manufacturer a percentage of the book's selling price. The print-on-demand model works with products like mugs, necklaces, hoodies, shirts, leggings, and virtually any printed items. Suppliers, which you can search for, who provide such services are gearbubble.com, powermerch.io, and customcat.com. The final e-commerce business type is dropshipping. Unlike POD, running a dropshipping business means you sell the products that you don't own to your customers. When you receive orders, your chosen supplier ships the product directly to your customers. Your profit's simply the difference between the cost of your own purchase and the money that you asked from your customers. All you need to have is 1. Product niches. Every successful business must have their own niche. 2. Choosing your supplier. Prepare a list of your own chosen suppliers. 3. Sign up for your dropshipping store using one of the most popular dropship hubs, AliDropship.com. Create an account on AliDropship.com to personalize your own dropshipping web store. AliDrop provides all the technical conveniences. You won't be having troubles communicating with customers, handling orders, keeping track of deals, and others. Customers will be delighted to find a specially developed website that allows them to place their orders and make purchases quickly and easily. Plus, the web store provides analytics to shop owners. You get to see detailed statistics on the amount of orders, revenues, visitors, etc. They can also track your store's performance and make any changes that are necessary. Next is the potential high income that you can earn. By selling items from your store, you'll get bigger profits from other platforms. Customers also prefer to make purchases in web stores as opposed to blogs or social media. So first, fill in your stores with the products of your niche. Then post them online. You can post them at your social media website or in your own dropship website. Post pictures and detailed descriptions of the products from your chosen supplier. Next, a customer or two will be interested in what you're offering. Then they'll place an order and pay for it. You'll receive a notification whenever a customer places an order. When that happens, contact the shipper who stocks up on this product. Place the same order as your customer to your supplier. Once you've received a confirmation order from your supplier, you need to inform the supplier to deliver the order to the address of your customer. Double-check the location of your customer's address. Then the customer receives the order and your transaction is completed. That wraps up your online business model for both POD and dropshipping. Always remember to update your online store and be consistent in your delivery timing. Customers are happier to buy items from an engaging and a responsible store owner.